Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So here is another tutorial on how to replace your Apple iPhone. Again, this is the Apple iPhone 6s. As you can see, the customer has this screen protector, and then it was shotted like this. I guess they will try to remove it or something. So I had to use like a hair dryer to blow it out to take out the hot glue. Heat up the glue, to loosen the glue, and after that I take this out to test it out. As you can see, you got so many cracks. So I got this new screen right here that I'm gonna unbox. I just got it. So as you can see, it comes with the tool kit, the suction cup, the guitar peg, and then the pentalobe screwdriver, and then Phillips screwdriver, and then prying tools. So this is the screen that I got. I'm just going to test out this real quick to make sure it's working before I put this on. So this one comes with this special glass protector. That was a bonus pack. And then here is a new screen. So I'm gonna test it out real quick. So after that, I'm gonna remove all the earpiece and then the home button and then the back plate to transfer it to the new screen. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to do this to test out the screen for you guys. And if you guys don't know how to change the screen, I have so many videos that's in under my channel. You can go search for it, because it's almost like a redundant if I'm going to do this again. So this is like a Lego connector. You got to make sure you connect it correctly. And do not try to force it in. I'm just gonna test it out real quick. Oops. I forgot I unplugged the battery terminal. You want to unplug the battery terminal just on the safe side. There you go. You see like a Apple logo. Well, since we don't have the home button or the fingerprint sensor, it might give you like an error message. So basically, I just want to make sure all the sensitivity is working properly before I transfer everything. And you don't want to enter the somewhere wrong pin. Four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Oh. So I give the error message, something about the Touch ID. I'm being able to activate Touch ID on this iPhone. But that's because you did not transfer the iPhone, the home button. So just want to make sure everything works, the touch. Alright, it seems that everything is working. So you're gonna only make an emergency call anyway, so let's see. Alright, so I just came out this test, so maybe I'll show you guys on the end of this video when it's put back together, okay? So I won't waste you guys' time. Alright, YouTube, so I finally finished putting back together, as you can see. This is the iPhone 6s. Put back the home button and everything. The earpiece. The proximity sensor, the front-facing camera. As you can see, everything works fine. While the customer has the lock, and I don't want to mess with it. I was going to disable the iPhone. Then here is a keypad. Alright. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, guys. And drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace.